Hey folks, Tom here from Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona, California. Ever worry about repairs that don't come with a warranty? Lack of warranty on repairs can leave you vulnerable. But at Arts, we offer a robust warranty to ensure your repair stands the test of time. Take Sandra, a nurse who visited us a few weeks ago. Her 2012 Toyota Camry had a scratched side panel from a tight parking spot. Sandra was burned before by a shop whose repair faded with no warranty to fix it. We detailed our process and warranty, then repaired her Camry with a perfect finish. Sandra told us, "Art's warranty made all the difference. I know my car's repair is secure." We stand by our work with a warranty because we use premium materials and skilled technicians. Whether it's a small scratch or a big collision repair, our Pomona shop guarantees lasting quality. If there's an issue, we'll make it right, no hassle. At Arts Auto Body and Paint, we're here to give you confidence with warranted repairs. Don't risk repairs without backup. Come see us for a free quote today. Want repairs backed by a warranty? Call Arts Auto Body at 909-620-5464 or check out artsautobodyandpaint.com for your free estimate. We've got you covered.